Welcome you again. In this class, we are going to learn about past perfect continuous tense. Let's begin. First of all, examine this example situation. Yesterday morning, I got up and looked out of the window. The sun was shining, but the ground was very wet. It had been raining. It had been raining is a past perfect continuous tense. In this tense, helping verb had been is used and main verb is first form of verb plus ing. So the situation is it was not raining when I looked out of the window. The sun was shining, but it had been raining before. That's why the ground was wet. So we can say that in this tense, something had been happening for a period of time before something else happened. It had been raining before I looked out. It had been raining is the first action. I looked out is the second action. It means first action started at an earlier point of time than the second action. Now, what is the difference between past continuous and the past perfect continuous tense? Past continuous tense. It shows only continuity of an action at a moment. For example, the sun was shining. Past perfect continuous tense. It shows continuity of an action as well as emphasis on the idea of duration. It had been raining since morning. Here duration is also given. Sentence structure. Now, what is the sentence structure? Affirmative sentences. Subject plus had been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for time plus object plus other words. Your subject may be he, she, it, you, be, they, singular or plural. Use only had been as a helping verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for time. So examples are he had been playing since morning. It had been raining for 2 hours. She had been living in this house since 2001. If you want to know where we use since and where we use for this, you must watch my earlier video about present perfect continuous tense. Negative sentences. Subject plus had not been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for time plus object plus other words. He had not been playing since morning. Remember, where is the position of not? Not is between had and been. It had not been raining for 2 hours. She had not been living in this house since 2001. Interrogative sentences. In this sentences, use had before the sentence. After that, subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since or for plus time plus object plus other words, and lastly put question mark. Had he been playing since morning? Had it been raining for 2 hours? Had she been living in this house since 2001? That's all about past perfect continuous tense. Please like, share and subscribe.